Hey there, how are you? I hope everything is okay. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Klaviyo to Quizell. So I just made a test quiz using our AI generator, and now I'm going to open Klaviyo. On the left side you have integration section, and then you click on explore apps. Just search our Quizell app and click on install. Now it will open you our integration page. You click on connect. Now it will sign into your account, and you just give us some permission, and here it's going to ask you what is your list ID. So go back to your Klaviyo, click on audience list. I recommend always to make a new list just for us, call it quiz or Quizell. If you want to connect it to existing lists, it's okay as well. Now go to setting and scroll a little bit down. You have consent. Just make sure to change it to single opt-in and save. Now on the end of the URL you have here key. Just copy it and paste it to our list ID input. Then it asks you which quiz you want to connect. Just pick your quiz, and that's all. Now Quizell and Klaviyo is connected. You can always manage the ID, and you can also manage the quizzes that they are syncing. Now I'm going to pass the quiz, so I'm going to copy this and paste. So now every quiz answer that your quiz have, it's going to be syncing with Klaviyo. So I just do make a testing lead, and now if I going to back to the list and refresh, so now the leads just arrive with the quiz information. Now if you open the profile, you will see that we are sending here an event. This event is triggered every time the user passes the quiz. So for example, if you want to make automation for any time user pass the quiz, just use the event. Also we are using a source Quizell, so you can use it for the automation. Here we sending you the result key, so you can put you can send the result on email, and also here we send in all the quiz answers. So if you want to make segmentation based on the quiz answers, you have this data as well. If it was a product recommendation quiz, if you was recommending product, this product was also show up here, so you can show the product on the email. This is the main part. Now if you want to control the questions here, let's say you want to add it to existing meta field, so custom property, sorry. So just open the question you want and rename it. So let's say if you want to use, instead of this one, just a pet style, for example, just change it, and next time user will pass the quiz, it will move here. If you have any questions about any of those setup, just let us know, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.